Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ansul number 431992 nozzle aiming device assembly. So the 431992 is actually a two-piece component set. You've got the business end, of course, the aiming device itself. Then you have the nozzle aiming device adapter is what it is. Let's go over this material visually. This end is what's going to snap over your nozzle. Okay, you'll generally have your piping, your swivel adapter, your nozzle, and that assembly will be loose, not completely permanently tightened down and ready to go. You'll have your nozzle aiming device adapter, which this will fit up over your nozzle. This is your aiming device, and that will thread into, and be very careful with the business end. Carefully thread that on. This is going to a client, so I'm not going to fully thread it on. Then at that point, you'll be able to position this where you want it, but of course, this has a laser inside of it. Okay, so you'll turn it clockwise until you get the laser turned on. Okay, there you go. Turn it counterclockwise and it turns off. So when this assembly is fixed, snapped onto your nozzle, you'll be able to aim that down, and you can't, of course, see it on my desk, but you can see it on my chest. You'll aim that down to where it needs to go. There is a link below this video to a document called, well, a couple of documents, operating instructions, like a system overview of a typical installation. Then there is a link to installation instructions, and let's briefly go over it now. The nozzle aimer is required to properly aim the nozzle at the required location of the hazard, the cooktop. Okay. The nozzle aimer contains a laser. Do not look directly into the laser or point the laser into the eyes. Serious or permanent damage could be caused to the eyes. Plastic aimer body must be purchased separately. It's true that these are available as subcomponents, but when you buy the Ansul 431992 from us, you're going to be sent both pieces. After the nozzle is secured to the swivel adapter and the piping network, push the nozzle aimer onto the nozzle tip. Push the nozzle aimer onto the nozzle tip. You'll have the adapter already attached. This gets pushed up. Activate the laser by turning it clockwise until the light is visible. Slightly loosen the swivel adapter, your swivel adapter above your nozzle, and rotate the nozzle to the desired position so that the laser points down onto the exact proper area that you require the nozzle to be aimed at. Hold the nozzle in that position and tighten your swivel adapter. Turn off the laser by rotating the tip counterclockwise, and remove the nozzle by carefully pulling straight away from the nozzle, meaning the assembly, just pull it straight away. Continue the same procedure on all of the remaining nozzles. There is in the installation instructions the short procedure on where and how to change the battery in the upper right hand corner. Completely remove the tip from the nozzle aimer body by turning the tip counterclockwise until both components are separated. That's a reference to this lower section and the top section. At the end of the tip, well, the balance of the installation, I'm not going to disassemble this to go through the battery change replacement, but it's in there. Okay. The name Ansul is synonymous with all things weather stripping. The name Ansul is synonymous with all things firefighting equipment related. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the Ansul full line catalog, but also very handily a standard the parts catalog as well, is what I'm trying to say. Parts catalog, full line catalog, all the Ansul products that we sell, and then of course a link to their website. If you have any questions on the Ansul 431992 nozzle aiming device assembly or any other Ansul product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.